These days, even fashion is going green. Here at Raven and Lily in Austin, Texas, everything is made from recycled material. Don't I look good? I am here with Aaron Ballard, and we are taking framing to the next level. So you're taking the lint out. So you're like the lint master. You have the eye for the lint.
Right. Yeah. Well,
how are they going to play the records now?
they're going to play it in their heart.
They're going to play it in their heart. Can I take this home?
You can buy one.
I can buy it.
Yeah.
Randy is out from American Idol, and there are a few people on deck to take his place. So we're asking you, who are you more psyched to see? Mariah, Nikki, or Key? Log on to our site to drop in your vote. The healthiest way to drink coffee is black.
Correct.
And if you want to sweeten it up a little bit,
You add a little organic honey.
a little organic honey, no cream.
No cream, but you can add milk.
Okay.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. That is delicious. That's really good.
Yeah, it's healthy.
Yeah, it is. I'm getting wired. We are here talking to the directors, producers, and even the stars of several different shorts.
I was trying to make the look like the director wants.
And did you do a good job? Yeah.
Of course, of course.
So what's next for you?
I mean, right now I'm working in a lot of music videos in LA.
Number 7 on Romance Gone Awry. A Border Patrol pilot used his chopper to drop a stuffed animal carrying a prom invitation from his son to a girl. The girl said yes, but the Border Patrol said no, no, no. That's chopper abuse. So what do? They suspended the dad. LA's downtown toy district is home to, well, lots of toys. 14 blocks of wholesale fun. You can shop this place all afternoon and still have money left over in your pocket. It's tech time, and Apple's amping up the anticipation. They've just announced an event in San Francisco where they're expected to unveil the iPhone 5. Don't know about you, but I'm clearing out the next 6 weeks to wait in line.